Hi, friends. I'm retired pastor, teacher, and theologian Papa Dale. Today's Bible Quick is about transgenderism. Now, I hope to teach you something that you might not have known before, but listen, please be skeptical and check me and every other Bible teacher out in comparison to what the Bible actually says. Transgenderism, what is it? Transgenderism is believing that you are a gender other than what your DNA says you are, and it's a mental illness called gender dysphoria. Every member of the mammalian class, canines, felines, equida, bovine, or primate, or any other classification, is sexually dimorphic. That means that there are male and female representatives of each class, of individuals in each class. Now, I stand in no one's way for people to live however they want to live. Whatever they choose to do, that's up to them. However, forcing society to celebrate that insanity is itself insane. The definition of paranoia is to build fantasy castles in the air. The definition of psychosis is trying to live in that fantasy world. The suggestion that I might hate them is incorrect. I have pity for those and all people with mental illness. The greatest kindness for people is to speak the truth and not proactively enable their insanity. For a culture to enable this insanity is evidence not of its compassion, but of its momentum towards its suicide. And those are my comments on the topic of transgenderism, and I hope you listen. I hope you take them seriously. And until the next video, this is your old pal Papa Dale signing off and saying, hey, leave your comments, questions, and prayer requests down below, and I'll read them and get back to you. But until the next video, Papa Dale is signing off and saying, I'm going to be praying for you, that you'll be well and that you'll be blessed. God bless you all.